What if I told you the traders who make the most money don't trade to win? In fact, the best traders in the world think like losers. They don't chase Lambos, they don't flex their win rate, they don't care how many green days they have. They do something almost no beginner can stomach. They rehearse losing. They plan for it. They accept it. They even welcome it, not because they're masochists, but because they've learned one brutal truth. Pain is the price for clarity. Loss is the cost of control. Most people trade to feel strong. Professionals trade knowing the market will break them, and they prepare for that break before it shows up.
You've been told trading is about charts, indicators, entries, exits, Fibonacci levels, blah, blah, blah. Nope, trading is a mirror. Every time you click buy or sell, the market shines a flashlight on your fear, your ego, your need for validation, and that inner toddler screaming, "I want to be right." You think you're trading price action? No, you're trading your nervous system. You enter too early. You exit too late. You double size because this one is definitely the winner. Not because the chart said so, because your emotions did. Most traders don't fail because they have bad strategies. They fail because they've never learned how to suffer without self-destructing.
The biggest lie sold to new traders is, if you learn enough, you'll win. Cute idea. Total trap. Because hidden under that promise is the poison. If you lose, you did something wrong. So every red candle feels like a punch to the soul. Now enter Tom Hougaard, one of the most savage trading psychologists on earth. Smart. Obsessed. Studied everything. Still lost. Badly. His turning point? A one-day loss of $127,000. Not because he was stupid, not because he YOLO'd. He was right on direction. Just wrong on timing. Market gapped. He couldn't exit. Boom. Account murdered. Most traders would rage quit. Tom? He asked a different question. Why do I need to win so badly? And he discovered the truth. Traders don't blow accounts because of losses. They blow accounts because the loss hurts their identity. They're not trying to make money. They're trying to avoid feeling like losers. Professionals flip it. Instead of avoiding losing, they become excellent at losing.
Let's talk about your brain, the one you keep sabotaging trades with. You think you're being rational? Nope. Your brain is 200,000 years old and still thinks a red candle means a tiger is chasing you. Your heart rate spikes, your cortisol surges, your hands shake. You convince yourself the chart feels weird. That's not analysis. That's biology. Tom literally measured it. Winning trade, heart rate 72. Losing trade, 138. His body thought he was in a fist fight. How are you supposed to trade your plan when your nervous system thinks you're dying? You can't. And here's the worst part. If you grew up around instability, chaos, or unreliable parents, your brain is even more paranoid. Market moves a little, you panic. You bail early. You protect yourself from disappointment. Not because of strategy, because of childhood. The market isn't triggering logic, it's triggering trauma.
Tom realized he needed a circuit breaker, something to interrupt the emotional stupidity. So he created one line he says out loud. "I am Tom Hougaard and I'm about to do something stupid." Sounds insane. Works beautifully. One time his neighbor heard him yelling and called the police. Because apparently if you scream, "Don't do it, Tom!" at 3 a.m., people get concerned. His other trick? He installed a 60-second delay on his trading platform. Click buy, wait 60 seconds. That 1 minute saved him over $500,000 in revenge trades. Meanwhile, retail traders can't wait 6 seconds before clicking buy again.
You know how every blown account starts? Loss, anger, I'll win it back, increase size, destroy account, cry and shower. Tom did it too. Lost $8,000. Market reversed without him. He snapped, tripled size, abandoned strategy, Started clicking like a man possessed. 6 hours later, $62,000 gone. Entire year's profit evaporated like his self-respect. His wife knew immediately because he came home overly cheerful. That's the male version of a confession. So Tom printed screenshots of every revenge trade and taped them above his monitor. Not to shame himself, to remember how stupid it felt. Professionals learn from pain. Amateurs repeat it.
Here's the uncomfortable part. Most traders don't want money. They want validation. Every winning day is proof. You are smart. You are capable. Every loss feels like you're a fraud. You don't belong here. Tom realized he wasn't trading for money. He was trading to feel worthy. So he did the scariest thing a trader can do. He asked himself, would I still trade if no one ever knew my results? Silence, because most traders wouldn't. That's when he changed everything. The car, the ego, the bragging, gone. He stopped tying his identity to his P&L. He detached, and that's when he became dangerous. The market taught him, and anyone smart enough to listen, the greatest paradox in trading. The less you care about winning, the more you win. The less you suffer from losing, the smaller the losses become. Not because the market changes, because you do. His motto is simple. The best loser wins. Why? Because every trader loses. Loss is not a glitch. It's the game. What separates amateurs from professionals isn't who loses less. It's who can lose without falling apart. So here's your challenge. For 1 week, just one, judge yourself only on execution, not profits. Good day? Did you follow your plan? Bad day? Did you follow your plan? That's it. Because if you can learn to lose like a professional, you will eventually win like one. And if you can't, well, you know how that story ends.
And when the market opens, it's going to ask you the same question it asks every day. Are you in control of yourself? Now you have an answer. Trade well, lose better, live. This is Suck-Cess, helping suckers suck less at money.